Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, hi, hello. My name's Janessa and I am a nail channel. I try and bring you at least 2 videos every single week doing some fun nail stuff. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. I am so grateful for all the support I get here on this channel, and because of you guys, I am hosting a giveaway today. I'm partnering up with a really dope, really cute brand. I'm gonna put her right here. This is Jelly Nails. She reached out to me and said, hey Jay, let's collab. She offered to send me $100 worth of products from her shop, and she's going to send a lucky subscriber, one of my subscribers, the same kit worth of $100. She sent me this box of beautifulness. So much is in here, you guys. Like, yeah, I was really excited. When I got her package, my 3-year-old took like a little peek inside. She couldn't resist, and I was like, oh my gosh, is it Christmas? Is it my birthday? What's the occasion? Like, I was blown away. And then we're also Yaygoe. They also sent me a little simple box of stuff. It's very basic, but I thought that would be perfect to do with this box of goodies we got today. Thank you so much to Jelly Nails for hosting this giveaway. I will let you guys know the rules at the end of the video, so make sure you keep watching so you can see how you can potentially win this box of goodies. I will put everything in the description below so you can check her site out and all of that cool stuff. Yeah, let's get right into it. So if you want to see me unbox this amazing box of goodies and potentially win and some of the Yaygoe products, then please keep watching. Bye! Alright, so we're gonna first go over the Yaygoe stuff. You can get this on Amazon if you'd like. It didn't come in a box, but the first thing is a brush. Then we have the clear polygel. They have this in like pink and a few other colors too. And then we have the nail liquid slip solution, which is actually like not that good. And then we have the top coat, base coat. It came with this little cute lamp. It just has a little button on the side, and then the little USB plug, charge in, really simple. And then it also came with a little pack of dual forms, and surprisingly, these were like some of the best dual forms I've ever seen. Like, I just really liked how they looked, how they covered my nail, and I'm gonna use them in my next video. Okay, so now I'm gonna unbox the Jelly Nails goodies. This was a list of all the products that she put in the box with all of the prices. So under everything, I'm just going to link the prices under below so you guys can look at all of that. And I was super impressed with all of this stuff. Like, I couldn't imagine, having a little store, and when she gave me all of this, I was like, wow, all the time, energy, and money that goes into having a little business like this is a lot. And so, yeah, I think this was so cool. She reached out to me, and I hope that we can all go and support her, show her some love, during this time. I think it's all important that we support small businesses. Yeah, and plus, like, we all use this stuff in, an everyday nail life. So this was my first nail gem, like a really nice one that I got, so I was stoked about this. It has like a little thing, it comes out like perfectly, and then this was the foil adhesive. You guys saw me use this in my last video. I love it. The viscosity of it was like thick. I really enjoyed using that. And then we got a little flashy lamp. Like, look how cute this is. It didn't come with batteries, but if you get this, it needs 3 AAA batteries, so make sure you have those on hand. And yeah, it's a little LED flashlight, and it's perfect for, flash curing, anything. And then we got 2 boxes of foils. The flowers, so adorable. And then we have like a little designer one, and I end up using these guys today. I absolutely love foils. This was my second time using them, and I think it's so much fun. It's a great idea. So my nails before prep and then my nails after prep. I don't put it in every video, so I'll link that in the cards if you want to see how I prep my nails. And then I'm going to be using the Nail Couture XXL square nails, but you guys seem to enjoy the sports length nails on my last on my couple videos ago where I did the XL XSC. Now what am I talking about? Where I did the SXC Cosmetics, the butterfly series. I cut all the nails to sports length and you guys seem to like that, so I'm gonna do it again, plus some tea. I actually like it as well. Like, even my boyfriend was like, your hands look so cute and so small, like with short nails. So I'm like, okay, I'll do them more. So here's the length. I'm going to be doing the APRES dupe. I usually use the Kiara Sky little LED lamp, as you know, but I'm going to be using this Yaygoe one they sent to me. So like I just pop it on the side like this, and then you see me apply the base coat to the inside of the nail, and then I'm just going to cure it. It's super easy. I've told you guys this before, like I know so that, you know, most of you probably don't have that little Kiara Sky one, so I don't want to discourage you from doing this method. So you can pop your nail lamp like that. So since I cut all of these nails, I have to shape them. I don't have like the proper nail cutters yet, so I just use my scissors and it kind of makes it like a weird shape. So I just have to go file the sides and make it all nice and perfect, and then I'm going to buff the top and remove the natural shine. Okay, so obviously my goal was to use Jelly Nails products today, and I wanted to use some different foils. So I'm going to take the Yaygoe clear polygel and just cap all my nails. I'm not gonna like build it up too thick because everybody knows short, thick nails are not the thing. So I do this fairly thin, but you know, thick enough that it's gonna be a sturdy nail. So I'm just going to use this on each of the nail. This polygel you guys can see on my first finger. I don't know what was going on. Like I don't know, like there wasn't air bubbles, but it just looked kind of weird. So I had to like switch from the slip solution that the Yaygoe kit came with because it's terrible. And then I had to go grab my Beetle slip in a bottle and use that. And then the polygel worked like a lot better. So if you have this polygel and it hasn't worked for you, try using a different slip solution, because the slip it came with, yeah, I was about to toss it out the door. So yeah, other than that, it was a cool polygel. I haven't used any, this is my first Yaygoe stuff. I have a hard time saying their name. This was the first products of them that I've used, so I can't like judge really. I want to use some other stuff before I give like an accurate you know, what's the word I'm looking for? Opinion. Yes, there we go. So I'm going to cap all these nails and we will cure that, and then you guys, I'm going to shape in and file and buff my nails so they look pretty. I'm so excited to do this giveaway, you guys. I love giving to you. Oh yeah, and then so after they're all done, I'm going to remove the sticky layer, and then now I shape in and buff my nails. But back to what I was saying. I love giveaways. I'm so excited. At the very end of this video, like I said, I will give all the rules to you guys. It's gonna be super simple, and we'll have it go on for about 2 weeks. So yeah, I am going to let you guys watch for a minute and I'll be right back. I lied, I really wasn't going anywhere. I know I talk in like all of my videos the whole time. So I wasn't sure what I wanted to do. I wanted to try and use as much as I could, but I just ended up doing some black gel polish and some foil. I couldn't find like a lot of videos on this foil adhesive, so I'm excited. I hope that this helps you. I practiced on my thumbnail and it didn't really come out very well. So I realized that usually like you need a base color underneath the foil. I chose to do black because I just thought it would make the blue stand out, which it looks really cool. It's like a thunderstorm galaxy, kind of. It reminds me of. Plus, it's like Halloween, so black goes with it. And then plus, I think that short black nails are so cute and so classy. And then to get rid of any of the excess polish on my fingers, I just take a brush with some acetone, and then I just clean up my nail before I cure it. One of you guys had asked me to do a video on how to properly paint gel polish, and honestly, it's okay if you get a little bit on your skin. Just clean it up with a brush and acetone before you cure it. And then I do 2 coats because I want it to be perfect and black. I just love short black nails. They're so gorgeous. This is a look. So after I get these cuties all nicely cleaned up, I'm going to cure them, and then I'm going to apply the foil adhesive. It says just to do a thin layer on each of the nails and then cure that. So that's what I'm going to do. This foil adhesive is actually like a gel base. So I wonder if there's something else you could use, like just regular base coat or something, or if you have to use that. I don't know. Look, I guess it has to be sticky, so. But yeah, I really like this stuff. I highly suggest you guys get this product. But look what happened. After I took out my nails, my middle finger, it shrinked. Does anybody know why? I thought I cured it for a long time. Like, I don't know. I almost yeah, I'm sad about it. But I take this cool blue girl and I just randomly plaster her on my nails. I wanted it to kind of be like see-through a little bit, and so I didn't try to get it perfectly. And then that one like almost got it perfect, like wow. But yeah, it's kind of cool. You just like randomly put it wherever you want, and then you can use the same piece like there and like kind of go over like an area again, you know. It's so fun. It's so simple. I hope that you guys like this. Have you guys worked with foils much in the past? I know they've been around forever. Like, I don't know why I'm so late to so many games, but I'm here, okay? I made it. And really quick, I also want to thank you guys for 900 subscribers. I woke up this morning, I was like, what is happening? I'm so grateful. So that's why I'm doing these giveaways, is because you guys are awesome. And to clean up the rest of that foil around my finger, I just take a file and kind of buff it away. And then I'm going to do some top coat over each of the nails, cure that. And then you guys know we're going to do my favorite part, the cuticle oil. We're going to put that on each of the nails, rub that in, take some cute little nail photos, and then I will show you guys the giveaway stuff and we'll go over the rules. But I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching all these videos, to getting to my content. You guys always show me so much love. Leave me the sweetest comments, so I really appreciate you guys. So let's get into the giveaway rules. Okay, so here's all the stuff for the giveaway. Shout out again to Jelly Nails. Thank you so much for hosting this. The rules are that you have to like this video, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and then you have to follow me and Jelly Nails each on Instagram. Once you've done all of those things, comment done below with your Instagram handle, and I will reach out to you on Instagram, and we will get all the shipping and all that fun facts. So again, thank you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Spend your life searching for more.